Hey baddies! If you guys really want to see how we all prepared and how it really goes down in the Izzy event, y'all better keep on watching.
Ay, ano pa kasi?
Ako may problema sa'yo. Tignan natin kung makita mo yung sarili mo sa salamin.
Kasi muna kasi.
Uy!
Si Mother Teresa na.
Hey baddies, so today is the Izzy event. It's like the Met Gala for the influencers. I don't know, because the outfits are like very, very extra. And Izzy always throws the most extra, doing the most parties ever since they rebranded. And it's very inclusive, which I really, really love for the brand. Sometimes they announce like best dressed, and the best dressed gets like some shopping spree in their stores. I don't know, but yeah, it's like really, really good. And I'm so excited for you guys to see my outfit because it is so extra, I swear. So I'm really excited for that. So I'm just doing my skincare right now. Then after that, I will go to Lurge's place. Anyway, I'm just gonna finish doing my skincare, and I will see you guys later. Hey guys, so my stuff is already packed. Dala ko tong malaking plastic na to kasi nandito yung outfit ko. But yeah, I will see you guys at Lurge's place. So, let's go!
Okay, I just got here at Lurge's place. Basang basa ako, nabutan ako ng ulan. Buti hindi nabasa yung damit. Every shit hustle. Bakit na ako? Basang basa ako, guys. Basa ako. Pati yung bag ko na baso. Uy.
Hey, excuse me.
Nabutan ako ng ulan. Like, I'm so wet. Girl, ang lakas. Hi! I'm sinking. Basta ako. Hi! Everyone's getting ready. Ay, tara na, ready na ako. Oh! Draga kayo tonight? Ano yan? Soft draga? Soft draga. Sige. Nag-ready. Lurge, nandito na ako. Hi! Ay, sorry. Hi! I got wet. Nabutan ako ng ulan. I'm wet. Hello. Ready na ako. Ito, kinakina. Pakita mo yung werot ko. Andito na pala yung event eh. Dito naman. Ito na. Okay, we're ready in our stations. Ito na pong RuPaul's Drag Race. Dito na po. Can I do my makeup beside you? You can. Oh, she's a very nice queen. Oh my god. Anyway, we're gonna get ready. I'm gonna do my hair first. Haggard, nabutan ako ulan. Ito yung isang drag queen. Welcome to RuPaul's Drag Race.
I'm not a drag queen.
Growing up not being accepted in the community, it's just so hard. Diba ganun yun?
Hala, na-objectify pa nga si Josh.
Ayan, Lurge!
Si Lurge na ba to? Hala, ito pala si Easy, si Pinktopia pala to. Putang ina pa ito. Te, bitch, stole your look. Yung may buhok ni Lurge. Kaya horror! Let's do our hair first. Ikaw rin, Kylie, yung papastyle ka kay Linus.
Lumagpas ka sa linya, oh.
Ala, monsters. She's freezing, but it's a secret.
Mag-brush si Legs ng buhok doon, tapos natanggal.
Britney Spears, ang pangit. Okay, let's do our makeup now.
Bakit tinatamad ako kumilos?
Tatamad ka kumilos, wala kang bayad. Pili ka.
Ang gano'n naman kumilos. Kasi ba lalo mo...
Ang ina, Boldy!
That is trash. Hello? Yan po kung magpapawik kayo kay Gabo, makikita niyo po yung provide niya sa inyo. Dry like the Sahara Desert.
Serving you, lion.
Serving you crusty, dusty, musty.
Actually, yan yung lead sa Lion King.
Serving you the country.
Another bombshell has entered the villa.
A bombshell?
A bombshell? More like a bomb. More like an atomic bomb. Ay, ito ba yung story mo? Na don't tell a biscuits.
Tinakit mo, te.
Hala, te. Unti-unti ka na nagiging alam.
Hello!
Snatch game na si Al. Imposter syndrome. It's Pangit, ang baho.
Alan, bigla.
Parang Alan Kate eh.
Alan yung pumasok, tapos nang gumanyan. Ay, Jeo.
Hindi ko na natikman. It's good ah. Ay, in fair, masarap siya. Ay! Yung pants? Sabi ko pala mo sa akin.
Okay lang, sige lang. Shorts na lang.
Ano yan?
Na-prank kita! May camera! Hindi kita nakita.
Taka na naman. Ano? Gimbal? Parang gago.
And you know what? What was that?
Ngayon lalapit-lapit ka sa akin after mo kung pahabulin ka kanina. So hinabol ko sa labas si Bolby. Ngayon lalambing-lambing ka sa akin.
Uy, ikat mo yan.
Parang kilala ko yun, te. Si Ski Mask Girl.
Sabi ko kasi pag tinamad na ako mag-makeup, ito na lang.
Here's the palette we're gonna use from Izzy. Let's start. Patingin, Jay!
It's kind of fluffy though.
It's not you, it's the outfit.
Hindi ko alam kung saan nanggagaling ang out. Pag na to,
Ayan guys, pag nakita yung in-edit niya to sa Instagram, alam niyo na.
Ingay mo, Jayo!
Halagay niya pala yung idol niyo, bungangera. Maganda pero balahura yung bunganga. Sige na, demonetize ako.
sobrang wala na sa atin, no?
We're done with the eyes.
Wala mag-book si ano.
Deserve! You know what, I'm worried kasi everyone's gonna look extra tonight. Simulan naging winner si Kylie nung last Easy event. Everyone's gonna look super extra tonight. Tangina mo, Kylie. Shopping spree sa Izzy, di ba? Libre lahat kasi shoppings. Free.
Walang papansin ha.
Ano mapansin kay Miko? Pinag-usapan niyo ba na di niyo ako papansinin? Oh my god, this is my favorite song of them. That's so cute. Do you guys listen to Flow? I love this song. I love this song.
Big improve ha.
Hello, dear. Miko! Ang dami na po nangyayari. Nagagahol na po lahat. Lurge, may ano ka ba? Di ba? Ayan, nakunan ko sa video. Nakarinig nyo siya ha. Wala daw. Wala pa nga ako sinasabi. We're gonna use the new Izzy products. These are the matte lipsticks.
Pero kaya ko pwedeng ipatong nito.
Go.
Wala ba silang super putla? Putla.
Putla? Parang wala ate. Wala akong
Walang
nakikita.
maputla.
Ito.
Hindi rin.
Hi guys, we just finished our session together. It was a nice experience doing it with the girl. Ala, fantasy!
Diba?
Me pag nasa Samgyup.
Undergarments.
Okay lang ba? Itsura mo. Saan yung hair mousse ni Bading?
Hair mouse, te. Ano?
Ay, ano? Hair mousse. Saan dito yun?
Pinag-inantay mo yun.
Hindi.
Para lang mapagtawanan mo ako at makapano.
Hindi, ikaw ang best comedian sisi ko ever. Your jokes are always landing.
Check na kami yung mga batteries siya.
Mamam.
Hindi mo ka mas-mali sa shoot.
O hindi. May batteries dito, oh. Nakita ko kanina.
Mama mo.
Oh my god, I think I put too much! Sabay
Wag mo maragin yan ha. Tingin.
I think I put too much.
You put too much.
Did I?
Oo, as in so much.
O diba, te? Mas malasa yung...
Ano, curly.
Wala bang barrel si bakla na pangkulot na normal at pang normal na tao?
I-hairspray ko to.
Ano, niyaya mo. Oo, hairspray mo na lang yan.
Gorjana, everyone! Period. Here. Show us the tits. Show us the tits.
Unti-unti may bukas mag-ano na yan.
Transition. Period.
Alam na kayo. Tigilan nyo.
Kasi totoo.
She puts the trans in bus trans. Pati yung BCB na naka-outfit din. Nakakapikon si Kylie. Nakakapikon yung outfit. Nag-effort na naman siya. Nakakapikon. Panalo na naman. Panalo na naman ang gay. Wag na tayo mag-effort. Nakakapikon. Di ba si Lurge yung pinaka-client? Bakit? Nakakapikon ng puta.
Hello, gang. Eject siya.
Ang ganda gago. What if wag nalagyan ng wig? Wag nalagyan ng wig.
Para alam mo,
Ano may bata?
Nakakapikon.
bagay ito, te, oh.
Ang ganda, gago.
Ang fantasy pag magpipicture gano'n. Parang...
Hindi, mag-CR muna tayo bago pumunta, tapos ilalaka namin dun. Mga ganun na ba? Bibis na tayo. I'm gonna wear some tucking panties. Of course, I had to do it off-cam. Ayoko ma-demonetize. I need a coffee. It's a little hot in here. Let's go. I need some help. Can you help?
Mini challenge.
Correct. Joyo pa help? Hindi rin partner to. Yeah, I know. I don't wanna blend in.
Sige, hindi ka na nakasama sa
Wala pang drag queen eh. Nag-gang-gang lang ako.
Kaya mag-annex house tayo after.
Hindi na magpapahinga. Fantasy. May pull out ka na naman sa akin, ha? Pati yung sa likod, Jeyo. I'm sweating. Ay. Tapos may dala akong ganito. Ito yung bag ko. Ito yung bag ko.
To balance everything.
Teka, labanin ko yung Beyond the Vines mo. Ito,
Yan nga blanc.
Beyond the Blank. Everyone's going to a different occasion, I guess.
She's going to
Playboy call.
Playboy,
She's going to a cosplay event.
a meeting,
A burlesque
and to
event.
sleep.
Miss Glenda, Miss Glenda. Hi! Makakalis kaya tayo, malalaman natin. Nagko-content na sila. Manika, dito pala si Sabrina. Sabrina! Uy, tangina naman, pinampunas yung bowa ko.
Sorry.
Ayaw nila ako isali sa picture. Okay. Hindi naman sila maganda.
Next ka ikaw naman.
Okay, we're gonna start shooting. Jay is gonna shoot the photos. Di ba masyadong mababay dito? Alam mo, maganda ko may flash. Iba-bounce mo. Okay. Hala, pace siya, pace. Ganda, gago. Manika!
Ikaw na siya?
Ang ganda, Manika.
Hello, it's Miss Sabrina Blanc.
Sabrina the Teenage Witch. Wait, I'm gonna wear my shoes now. Ala, gago, bulbulin niyang haba. Binraid din na. Hala! Sabrina nga.
Naka-heels ka pala.
Halati! Sabrina na dengue. Tingin nga, show the bow, show the bow. Ina mo, mas malaki pa sa'yo yung boat eh. Here's our outfits. Super cute. We're all going to a different party. Everyone's ready? I think everyone's ready. Not yet. I'm ready, we're all ready. Let's go, we're late, let's go.
Sobrang nakaka-artista na yung entrance natin. Kala nyo naman,
May titingin sa atin.
kala nyo naman sobrang sikat kayo. Wala namang 5 digits yung views nyo per week.
And siya ha.
Huli parang,
Ay, si Shobes nandito na. Hi, Shobes.
Magaling yung ba?
Sorry ka! Namnamlay.
Hold mo, Josh, yung elevator.
Ba't di pa kayo sumakay? Content pa din. Putangin ang init. Ba't ang content house na to nakakapagod? Ngaling na ako, naka-heels ako, dear. Like, what the fuck?
I didn't notice that you're wearing heels. I think this is the first time I'm saying it.
What's that supposed to mean?
Like, I thought you like a sneaker girl.
No, today I'm feeling cunty, so I'm wearing the bows.
You look like a she-her.
Sipag ni Derek. Tangina si Lurch na sa ano, naharap na sasakyan. Award. Ala, isa pa to. Okay, we're finally fucking on our way. Ay, gago, ang ganda ng light. Ew. We're finally on our way. We're like an hour late.
But it's fine.
Makaano naman tayo entrance, para mo may titingin sa atin. Ang ganda natin, gago. We're so warm. Are you fertile?
I'm in heat.
Like Lurch?
Hindi, anger siya ngayon.
Anger ba siya?
At least we're gonna die cute.
pag naging multo ako, tapos ganito ako, carry lang.
Carry lang din.
Carry lang din.
Kylie, di ko lang sure.
Bakit ma?
Pag namatay sa kasi Kylie, naging muto na ganyan. Natakot talaga ako
Baka
din.
harangin ka sa customs.
Dami niyo naman puntala, sabi nung ano.
Sabi ni San Pedro,
San Pedro.
Siyempre sila na nagpa-fantasy, hindi kami kasama.
Ano ba yung buko?
Ang ganda natin, fucker.
Better mo ko lang.
Lighting?
Yung grab share, nakikihiram na.
Best daddy, daddy.
Adu boss, bam,
Dito na tayo park. Yes.
Dito event?
Parking lot.
Bakit tayo?
Where's the parking?
Gagamitin yung
Kuya,
powers niya.
pwede mag-park dito? Please. Sige na kuya, dito lang sa likod na to.
May mabilis lang.
Studio, sa unahan na lang. Sige.
Summer
Thank you, kuya.
Nadala siya kay Kylie.
Gumana yung face cards namin.
Nadala siya kay Kylie.
Oo, ano si Lurch? Kylie.
Kylie.
Ay, parang Kylie nga.
Kylie nga. Panalo ka Kylie. Iba ang mga gyaru.
Giyaro, giyal.
Kiaro galapa, alala.
Gyaru danto galapa. Okay girls, let's go. Maglalakad pa tayo. Ang cunt ko pero ang lalim ng boses ko. She's a drag queen. Oh,
Ganda.
putang ina na, out of balance ako.
Mukhang stall mo.
We're like almost, no,
First
we're 2 hours late. Are we 2 hours late?
We are.
Period.
We don't care.
I'm having a hard time walking on these heels. Like, fuck. These are literally skinny ass heels. They're not like the chunky ones, so fuck, man. Look at these bitches.
Excuse me, my heels are just skinny. And higher.
Girl, ang sakit. I guess I'm just gonna walk slow lang later. As I
Or
should.
not.
Or not.
We're gonna sit.
We're gonna sit and socialize. That's gonna be the plan.
Skirt ko tumata.
We're here! Finally! Ba't ka nandyan? Isa bang lane ka?
Dito daw eh.
Ay, yung bag, cunt. That's cunt. That is cunt. Matching with the boss.
I love the ruffles.
Thank you so much.
What's your name?
Josh Cruz. Josh Cruz. Joshua Cruz. That is cunt. That is cunt. Ay, this is cute. Parang... Alam mo yung nakabow din. Oh. Hi. So cute. Ah. Miss Josh. Period. Ang dami nangyayari. Sige mo dito sa gitna. Fantasy. I'm with Vince and Bridge. The lovebirds. Period. Ang dami nangyayari. Ang dami nangyayari. Gago. Hi mga curls. Hi mga curls. Here you. It's serving lupa, babe. It's serving lupa pang puspon. Hindi pa na fantasy. I love. Okay, now what? Now what? Naalala niyo ba sa yung baliw na bride? Nakakuha ko ng alak. They found the bar. Oh my god. Ito na yung bar. Si Mukbang naman. Si Mukbang din. Oh my god, this pink one is strong. Ang tapang, te! Oh my god. Oh my god.
Bottoms up, guys!
Bottoms up, everyone.
Hindi ko ma-bottoms up.
Tayo. Bottoms up, dito.
Ito yung tapang. The lighting. Here you. Here you. Eka na ako, dear. Ang init pa. Walang pagkain sa loob. Look at everyone's outfit. Cute. I'm gonna have fun now. I'm gonna stop vlogging. Putang ina mo, gago ka. Alam niyo. May mic na! Putang ina mo! So, walang program yung event.
Girl, nag-effort kami mag-best dress. Wala pala.
Nawala si Alan! Asan si Alan? Gago, nawala si Alan! Nawala si Alan! Uy! Post ka dyan! Ito na! Post! Tinakbo niya yung vlogging cam ko, gago! So, tapos na yung event. We're so fucking tired. We're so
Tama na
tired.
yan. Kala mo naman.
Tama na yung vlog, ganun kakain na nga eh.
Kulang!
Putang ina nyo! Kita nyo yun, yung mga ugali nila. Ayun yung mga idol nyo, Miko SJ, Alan Segi, photographer. Sobrang pagod kami, dear. Like, my heels are like... My heels?
Your heels.
My feet are like cramping from the heels. Jay was like super tired from dancing. But it was a fun event. Pero wala
yung piercing ko.
Si Sabrina niya pagod na
Sabrina na.
I'm working late.
Cause I'm a
Pawi naman. Pwede ba ka-lurch na tayo kumain? Girl, not with this outfit.
Ano nangyari dito?
Freedom.
Kaya tanggalin lang yung buhok ni Lurch.
Ay, sorry.
Kung ilong ko, bago pa naman to.
Girl.
Bagong gawa. Sa
Ay, ganda.
Good morning, be. Ano order mo?
Morning po!
Dalawang 2-piece mushroom black. Tapos,
Two-piece chicken ako.
isa pong 2-piece chicken. Anong bar?
May anong available na parts?
Anong gusto mo? Parte ng buhay mo. Breast.
Kahit ano.
Yes, pwede dyan na kami mag-order.
Si Becky yan.
Ma'am, sorry, kailangan po dito po para once na nakapal po yung product natin. Nagagawa na rin po ng production.
Ano daw?
Okay, parang napiprep.
Yes, ma'am. Yung burger po.
Yeah, alam ko.
Alakar.
Ganyan ba sumagot, ma'am? Isa pong 2-piece.
Large po na cheese, okay.
Ganyan ba tamang sumagot, ma'am?
Pag tayo narinig ni Miko, duduruan talaga pagkain na.
Ano daw pa sabi ng production?
Yung makeup po.
Ako din.
Bali po, ano lang po siya. Alakar na po talaga.
Editorial bill.
Marc Jacobs campaign.
So, Tommy.
Oh!
Kalala mo
I can't.
Kalala mo si ano?
J. Queen daw si Kylie.
Hindi po yan si J. Queen. Ganyan ba sumagot, ma?
Ito po si Miko SJ.
Wedding friend.
Okay. Oh.
Hi guys!
Sorry ka! Sorry ka!
Pwede mag-picture tayo.
Mas ka ulit dito.
Labas ka ulit dyan.
Sige.
Hello, gago!
Sana naman kami, dear.
You look cute so much.
Iba yung sinabi mo, dear. Alat. Give up na mga dear. Nakapaan na yung mga dear. Lahat na kami nakapaan na dear. Give up na. Give up na mga dears. Gago, parang si Deborah Logan, gago. Uy! Hala, Sabrina, you're inside the studio.
Yeah. I'm working late.
Pangit! Ang pangit pala nung kantang yan.
Buti na lang may auto-tune.
Ang pangit pala nung kantang yan. Hindi na yung verse.
And thoughts on what?
Parang bursa ka na Si Lurch din. Kain na tayo din. Oo, mangkukulam si Lurch. Bayan, nagkakalan ko. Oo, ka naman, dear. Let's eat.
Taray, naka-DJI.
Siyempre, te. Tang laki ng makno.
Ina niyan, eagle vlogger mo.
Match harap.
Oh, may mes effect. Ina, PM2 ata yun eh. Naka 10 piece.
Award.
Iniwan ko ng 7, 10 na. Ako sabi niya. I just got one. Doon ko like train care.
Oo.
It's so bad. Ano ito yung sabi?
Put it on the book.
Pag nagsama-sama na sabihin ko. So, Rafi, tell her now.
Ang ina mo!
Kylie, you got all this money but you can't even afford 10-piece nuggets from McDonald's? The fuck?
Kasi Carly, oh.
Hindi. I mean, mali lang. Hindi.
Lagi mo ba?
Kasi,
Bunawin!
order sila ng pagkain, di ba? Ba't ka kumukuha ng akin?
Ooh! Girl!
Tama, mali.
Tama.
Sagot. Audience,
Sana
sagot.
kumuha ng chicken sa kanila.
Sa pula.
What did you learn today?
What I learned today is to be early and be prepared.
What did you learn today?
Ako, to balance the outfit lang.
Because?
Sometimes may best dress and sometimes wala talaga.
So, kalmado lang.
Kalmado na lang muna.
Not doing the most.
May nga, diba? May mga others kasi na, doing the most. Pero, girl, pwede ka naman pagkantuan.
Oh my God! Iniwan ni Kylie!
Ikaw, what did you learn today, Miz?
Sana kanain yung order mo, hindi yung in-order mo.
Oh! That's what she learned.
Ikaw,
That's
Lurch,
what
anong
she
na-learn mo today? Putang, inang yan. Ikaw, Sisi ko, anong natutunan mo today?
Go shops.
Yeah.
That's so insightful. I love it.
I don't want burger.
Ayun niya ng burger.
Okay. What did you learn today?
I learned
This is my mandatory.
na
Huwag kang hipak ng hipak.
oh, ikaw.
Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye, pieces, deuces. Period.
10%.
But wait, there's more.